Thought I'd make a new bike check since I got new parts on my bike since last week.